While doctors continue their protest over the RG Car horror, politics is also continuing unabated. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today denied she threatened junior doctors in her speech during yesterday's event of TMC Students' Wing. In a clarification post, Mamata Banerjee stated that she was only speaking against the BJP-led centre and accused the Modi government of threatening democracy. Meanwhile, the BJP continues its attack on the Bengal government over the horrific crime and its handling of it. BJP MP Soumitra Khan today confirmed that the party is going to the National Human Rights Commission regarding the RG Car issue.
हमारा लॉ सेल का एंड सीनियर एडवोकेट कोविड शंकर बोस एंड अदर्स सीनियर सुप्रीम कोर्ट लॉयर्स गोइंग NHRC फॉर RG का रिसोर्स.
ओके, तो आप भी जाएंगे?
हम लोग भी जाएंगे क्योंकि हम भी साथ जाएंगे क्योंकि देखिए जो मुद्दा है तो हम लोग जो RG कार में जो महिला का साथ हमारा जो स्टूडेंट का साथ घटना घटी है उसका साथ जो जड़ित है उसका इमीडिएट अरेस्ट होना चाहिए. आज जो प्रोटेस्ट हमारा कोलकाता में हुआ था जैसे पब्लिक का ऊपर जैसे पुलिस का लाठीचार्ज और पुलिस का जो चला उसका एगेंस्ट में हम लोग जा रहे हैं.
In the meantime, Congress MP Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has also organized a protest march today from College Square to Jam Bazaar over the RG Car horror. Beside Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, several other prominent Congress leaders are also expected to participate in the march. My colleague Shreya is joining live right now to get us more details. Well, Shreya, it appears that the troubles continue to mount for the Mamata Banerjee government because now the BJP is planning to take the matter to the NHRC. But in the meanwhile, Congress party, where Congress and the TMC are ally partners at the India alliance is concerned. But today, what we are expecting is for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary to take the cudgel against Mamata Banerjee government.
Well, of course, today we are going to see that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, a short while from now, will hit the street to protest against the RG Car incident. This is a very much scheduled and planned rally. It has been planned at least 5 days before. He is going to march from that of College Square to Jam Bazaar. Now, remember, as far as Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is concerned, we have already seen how Mamata Banerjee and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary differed with their opinions. We also saw how central leadership of Congress, they also differ with Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. And as far as TMC is concerned, remember, they have said before also that because Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is not working with the party line, with that of the central leadership of Congress, that is the reason why he is being sidelined by Congress. So, of course, this conflict continues. But as far as Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is concerned, he is going to hit the street against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today.